Is this enough? Oh. Hello my fabe, welcome to MaiMoments, the best channel for makeup and hair tutorial and also products review. Today I'm going to review this product right here. It is the Wonder Brows with a U, okay? And then they claim that I'm going to get a perfect brows under 2 minutes. Ooh, that is crazy. And it's going to last all day. You know how whenever you are using eyebrows pencils or even gel, and if you accidentally swipe your eyebrows, it's like gone. So I'm going to try this to see if it works and if it lasts the whole day. So in this box we have the eyebrows gel and then a spoolie and then some directions. Okay, it claimed that this is complete one-step solutions to thicker, more beautiful eyebrows. It's going to lock colors and tiny hair fiber to the skin, giving you a thicker, more defined brows that are smudge proof, transfer proof, and waterproof for up to 3 days. Oh wow. Okay. The applications of this eyebrows gel is pretty disappointing because it's like so thick. It's more like a lip gloss applications rather than for your eyes. Look how big this is. So I'm going to use a angle brush to help me grab on the products and apply on my eyebrows to get more precise look rather than using these applications. For me, I really love a snatch eyebrow, so what I'm going to do is kind of like use a eyebrows pencil to draw an outline. So once I'm going to fill in this eyebrows gel, it's going to be more precise. I'm also going to outline the other side of my eyebrows. I would recommend you to do that because you can definitely figure out your shape and also creating a twin's eyebrows instead of a sister. So I just finished outlining my eyebrows to make sure they are both twin as much as possible because first of all your face is not symmetrical, and so I'm going to use the Wonder Brows and apply this product on top of it. I'm going to use the angle brush and dip it into the solutions. I felt that this is going to give me a more precise looking eyebrows instead of it's going to be everywhere if I decide to use the applications that they already have in there. And as you can see, I just fill in as I go, starting from the end, and gradually the leftover solutions will be applied toward the beginning. Just be aware that you do need to dig the products in a lot in order for the color to stay because it needs to fill in all the hair that is in between. So keep working at it until you are satisfied. If you are blessed with a thick eyebrows, then you only need to fill it one layer. But for me, I might have to do it like the second and also the third time. I'm also going to do on the opposite side, same thing. I'm going to use the angle brush to help me apply the applications. I would not recommend for you to use this product because it's just ridiculous. I mean, like, why? Why don't you over here just use an angle applications? If you decide to get this product and use it on your daily makeup routine, I do recommend you to layer one side and then work on the other side while the original side is drying. You want the color to be buildable, so it's have time for it to dry in order for a perfect looking eyebrows. On this side, as you can see, it's kind of like a little bit chunky right here. I'm going to use the spoolie that they gave me and then soften up the look to make it more blending and make it more natural instead of all this color stay packed in one place. I do admit that whenever I'm brushing the clumps out, I like the color even more because it's really soft to look and way natural. For this product, I do feel that you do need to reapply like 2 or 3 times in order to make sure it have the same consistency because there's some like empty spot. So now I'm going to go in the second time to apply it. There's no way for you to actually apply one time and call it a day because once you brush it out, there's some empty spot. And you want to make sure it's blend as possible. Before you go in with the second applications, you do want to make sure that the first time is completely dry. So I feel that it's completely dry now. I'm going to do the same thing as what I did before, starting to fill in at the end and then gradually the leftover will be applied to the space where I need to make sure there's will be more colors into it. So I noticed that as soon as if you apply and then try to use a spoolie to make sure it blends in well, you should not. You have to wait a second in order to completely dry, then use the spoolie to brush it out. Okay, I still feel that there's some spot is missing, so I'm going in with the third time. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. I hope this is worth it because I put a lot of effort into this. Seems like the third time is the charm for me since I barely have any eyebrows, but using these products, as you can see, it looks super natural. I am very pleased. To make my eyebrows more snatched, I'm going to use a concealer and create an outline as you can see here, and use the brush to blending out the edge. Then lastly, I'm going to use my fingers and actually going to melt the colors so it will not look unnatural. So we're going to test this product of what it claimed. Did I get this perfect eyebrows under 2 minutes? Not really, because it's similar to nail polish. You do need time to make it even. So the first coat is not perfect. You definitely need to sometime adding on the second to third coat. So that's what I did. So the second test of this product is it smudge proof. You know, whenever you draw in your eyebrows and you don't want anybody to touch it or yourself, because it's going to smear, and guess what? You're going to be missing some spot of your eyebrows. So here we go. I'm going to use my fingers and then just wipe it. Okay, so I'm going to do it again. I'm just going to wipe it. What the heck? Okay, swipe. Swipe it up. Swipe it down. Oh, this is good. This is good. Yeah. Okay, okay. I feel this. This is great. Okay. So the smudge proof test is perfect. It's going as planned. Now the transfer proof. Okay. So it say that it's not going to transfer this color into my hands whatsoever. Okay, I'm going to use the back of my hands, and then I'm going to swipe it in one direction. You know, by now it should look. Oh, it is transfer proof. Okay, okay, okay. I feel ya. Another thing that I want you to be aware whenever you purchase this product is that this colors in this tube is not going to be transferred the same as it on your eyebrows. By the way, this color is in brunette, and if I'm going to get this tube again, I'm going to get another shade darker. But don't get me wrong, this is actually really pretty for everyday look. So looking far away, definitely you can see my eyebrows is really nice and natural. But seriously, if you are going to look really close and personal, how the product set and dry does have a little white cast. It's not a major thing, but I definitely want to let you know. So the last test of this product that is claimed, it is waterproof. So what I'm going to do is going to spray myself with water. Okay, instead of jumping on the swimming pool, I'm just going to use this and spray myself. Okay, wish me luck. Is this broken? What the heck? Oh my god. I think I broke this thing. Oh, okay, okay. Is this enough? Oh, I can't open my eye. Whenever you are wearing fake eyelashes, it seems that it's collecting water, so it was really hard for me to open my eyes. Then I grabbed a napkin to wipe the water away. Okay, so my eyelashes can withstand those water, but guess what? My eyebrows did. Wow, look at this. Oh my gosh. Definitely you can take this product to swimming and still look nice. So if you go on the first date and guess what? That guy over here telling you like, hey, you want to go swim and you want to wear makeup? Well, this eyebrows will withstand the oceans. Ooh. Oh wow. Okay, it does not transfer at all. Wow. Oh my god. Let me fix my eyelashes and I'll be right back. Well, I'm back with a full makeup glams. You are here to figure it out if I like this product or not, is it my moment proof? Definitely every product have a pro and con to it. The pro for this product is that it's smudge proof, waterproof, and transfer proof. I don't think there's no possible way to get your eyebrow done under 2 minutes with this product. I feel that it can be dry and set in 2 minutes, but there's no way to get as natural eyebrows if you do not put a lot of effort and time to it. The con is that when it's set and dry, I feel that my eyebrows, like hair, have a little white cast. But first of all, if you're an individual who shave off your eyebrows, I don't think that's even a con for you. Like seriously, there's only pro. And I hope you enjoyed this video. There's another 2 video waiting for you to click. If you have any questions, concern, comment down below because I love to read them. And don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell for more notifications. And as always, love yourself, stay motivated, peace out.